Hello my good peoples, Urban Peeps here. Welcome back to yet another good video. This video we can see opposite. Yeah, opposite is now ready to go on a fully revamp. Yeah, bodywork, everything. And the fans of opposite, you can see and get the latest update about this crazy Manyanga. Yeah, opposite is one of the most recognized and hyped in Kenya, like no other. That one I can say when I'm very much confident. Opposite, I also like it. By the way, opposite has a big name. Yeah, remember the root is Umoja. So right now opposite, we say in Kiswahili Koriko. Yeah, for those who wanna know Koriko, this is the current situation. So people who love opposite or Manunda, they can see that, yeah, it's still going on. Everything is being stripped off. Yeah, it want to be reborn again into a very, very crazy, style. Remember, opposite never disappoint, like every time, guys. I'm telling you. You can see. Let me show you on the sides. Yes, you can see there, guys. Watu wa opposite wanaiona. Opposite there, it stripped everything, the paint, the art. Only the windows you can see them, like the previous art. Yeah, but I want to take you on a closer look. Yeah, you can see this is the grill, front grill. Okay, let's take a closer look on it. Yeah, you can see great things take time. Yeah, great things take time. So opposite for you guys. That's Manunda for you guys there. Yeah, this one we shall have a very big comeback. Opposite never disappoint. Every time. Never disappoint, guys. Yeah, I can take you also on the side. Yeah, a lot of work has been done on it. You can see everything has been stripped. All these metals you see here down have been stripped to, yeah, have been removed. Let me take you on the back. Yeah, that is the rear view. You can see, guys. Rear view, yeah, opposite, guys. This is the rear view, I'm telling you. You can see Kenya 1 there. Yeah, Kenya 1. Can you see it, guys? Yeah. This is the current Kenya 1, guys. Yeah, the title holder. This is currently the title holder. Kenya 1, Manunda. So you all fans wait for it to be worked on. Yes, to be worked on, and we will see the transformation and a big comeback for opposite. A lot of people love this Matatu. I also love it. Yeah, I believe it has kept to its big hype. Yeah, it deserves it because every time people vote for it, they love it online, give it so much votes. And also me, I love it, honestly. I love it very much. So this is the update you can see, guys, from opposite. Mnaona vile rada iko, rada safi. Bumper ya mbele iko pale, imetoanishwa. Yeah, we are waiting to see the big comeback on Manunda. Yes, guys. Yeah, hiyo jina vile inakaanga, the name, I love it. I hope they maintain the same name. I hope they maintain the same, because that is crazy. The person who designed Manunda is not a person to joke with. He's a serious designer. Okay guys, I've updated you. And I'll also be updating you on its progress. Yeah, so keep it locked on the channel, guys. Thank you. This one has not yet got a name, but we call it Bcelia, since there's another one from the same family. Yes, so I want to show you its progress, and when they be giving it the name, we shall also be knowing the name. I'll also be updating on that, but today we can see the progress. Not yet far to get the complete product. Yeah, you can see before it was white. Now you can see it's black. Yeah, black with a unique artistry on the side. Let me take you on the side. You can see the portraits are crazy. Very nice, guys. We do an up close so that you can rate it, but it's the process. I can see it's not all that bad. You can see, yeah, there are a few lights there. You can see, yeah, that one, those lights were not there during my last video. Also on the other side, yeah, unique, very unique. Let's take a look at it, and you can see it's been wrapped with a paper there, which means it's not yet complete. Okay, here we have, yeah, you can see, I love that. This art is crazy, guys. That's Tupac Shakur. Okay, also some new progress there. You can see that's the exhaust in the center, few lights there, and now we can check the back portrait. Yes, I would love to show you the back portrait. Yes, guys. So, wow, that's the back portrait. Exodus. You can see, guys. Wow, that's crazy. I think it's an image of Tupac also. I think within 1 month it will be complete, the way I see it. Not 1 month, like even 3 weeks. Almost 3 weeks. Because I don't see anything major that will be making it to stay all that long. Yes, guys, you remember even Bomae had, like, see Silvayo line, a street line there. There's a partition there. So this Matatu is expected to hit the street with a big bang. Yeah, people are awaiting it so much. And I'm also looking forward to that. You can see. Let me take you closer to that. Yeah, you can see, guys. Yes. Those of you who follow my channel, they know very well that this Matatu was, where you see black, everything was white. Yeah. And you cannot imagine the modification that has been done. It's crazy, guys. Now, Kenya, we have a lot of talent. Yeah, let me just show you inside, even though it's kind of dark, very dark. I think inside it, yeah, nothing on the inside. Nothing, even the seats. So we still have some work to be done to it. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Here we continue with the other. This is another one from Loa Travels. Most of you know Loa Travels. This is another one from Loa Travels, guys. It's also ongoing, nearly to complete. Yeah, nearly to completion, guys. You can see the face is crazy, very nice, and the art is still ongoing. Yeah, still inside I can see there is nothing. So like in 2 weeks to 3 weeks we'll be having new released vehicles around. So that is what we'll be doing. Yeah, so it is what is happening, guys. So you can see the art there. Yeah, how do you rate the art, guys? Let me zoom. Crazy guy shouting there. I think he's a music artist or something. I'm not sure, because he's also the same one there. You can see. Yeah, you can see. He is representing. Oh yeah, even the back side you can see. Yeah, same person. But this Manyanga has no much progress from last time. You see, that's bit family. Yeah, and almost as usual, you can see the rear, how crazy it is. This is the other side. Let's see here. This is on the other side. It is expected also to be completed maybe within let's give it like 2 weeks, I think, or 1 week, because the seats are only fitted. They are there already. It's only fitting, nothing more. Yeah. Okay, I think the name is Fluffy. Anyone reckon the name Fluffy? Yeah, do it on the comment section there. Yeah, you can tell me how you know that name Fluffy. The comment section. Yeah. Friends, welcome back. This is the update for Penguin. Yeah, few people asked me, Penguin, where is Penguin? Now this is the update I can show you. This is current, by the way, current situation on the Penguin. Yeah, and when I release the video, I usually mean it's latest. Very, very much latest. Yeah. Yeah, like today is on a Monday. So you can imagine. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, the artist is doing his work. You can see the rear portrait. Yeah, this guy is always serious. I'm telling you, like the portraits he usually does are crazy. Yeah, so the name is Penguin there. Yes, you can see there. Yeah, but no big progress that has been done. Yeah, no big progress, guys. So fans who love everything about Penguin, you can see the current progress. Wait for it. I think maybe this one will come out after maybe like 1 month. Yeah, from now. Sometimes they go slow and we wait for them until they are fully done. Then update you. We do the live stream. We also, if I do the live stream, I also do a video about it. Yeah, so that you cannot say, oh, I'm not updating you.